Ready to turn YouTube viewers into eager homebuyers? Today, we're cracking the code to crafting YouTube Realtor ads that don't just get views, but actually generate leads. We will be covering ad copy creation so that you can make more successful real estate advertisements. Step 1. Know your audience. Are you targeting first-time buyers, luxury clients, or families looking to upsize? Tailor your message to their specific needs and pain points. Step 2. Highlight benefits, not just features. Instead of saying 3 bedrooms, say 3 bedrooms, offering ample space for your growing family. Focus on how your services will improve their lives. For example, let's compare features to benefits. Updated kitchen versus a gourmet kitchen, perfect for entertaining. Do you see the difference? Step 3. Keep it concise. You have seconds to grab attention, so use clear and direct language that gets straight to the point. Step 4. A strong call to action is a must. Tell viewers exactly what you want them to do, whether it's calling you, visiting your website, or downloading a free guide. Following these simple steps will drastically improve your YouTube ad campaigns and will help you stand out from the competition. So, put these tips into action and watch those leads roll in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate marketing tips.